Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our June scent and warmer of the month because my kit is here. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So, my June kit is here and I have already unboxed it because I could not wait to dig into it, and I was not able to get this video up last week, so it's not like as much of like a unboxing, but we're just going to talk about the June scent and warmer of the month. So Scentsy spoils us consultants. We are actually able to get a scent and or warmer of the month kit in early, the month before it actually releases, so that we have time to like take photos, warm them, make samples, whatever you want to do with the items, and we get it early and we get it discounted, and we also get it, like, it counts towards our sales to purchase. So technically we get paid to buy it. So the June kit is here. I have no idea how 2023 has went by so fast, but it's here and I really, really love it. I wasn't really sure about how the scent was gonna smell because I got the sample of the scent of the month in the May Whiff Box. If you missed that video, I will have it linked up here and it's also in the description box of my channel. But the sample that was in the May Whiff Box, like I just couldn't smell it. I didn't know if it was just a very light scent or if it was the sample or if it was my nose, but I smelled it again against the bar and it's completely different. So I don't know if I just got a bad sample or what. So we'll talk about that more in a second. But here it is. I already have it in my pretty bins. So in these kits, we actually get a pack of the Rub and Sniff stickers, which I use for my mail outs. We also get a pack of the brochures. We get 8 Scentsy bars, and I've already warmed 2 of them, by the way. And then we also get the warmer of the month if we choose to get the combo kit, which I have and I already have out. So all the footage of that warmer you're gonna see is it actually on like our end table in the living room. I'll do videos, I'll show you my pictures. I just literally was just too excited because it's so pretty and it reminds me of one of my other favorite warmers that came out years ago that I have in our master bath. I just was so excited to take pictures of it, so I had to unbox it. So first, we always like to talk about the scent of the month, so let's just go ahead and dive on into that. So the June scent of the month is Pacific Mist. This one smells so much better than the sample that I got in the May Whiff Box. I'm telling you, I think I got a dud. Let me know if you got the Whiff Box and you got it and you can't smell it. Like I'm not even gonna warm it because I'm kind of disappointed in the sample. I'm just being honest. I'm being honest and real here. I think I got a dud because it smells nothing like the bar. Like nothing like the bar. So Pacific Mist is misty ocean air, wafts through coastal sea salt and driftwood with a buoyant touch of tropical nectar. Scentsy, why are you adding all these words I can't pronounce? The top note is the coastal sea salt, so it's going to be what you first get, like first sniff, first whenever you're warming it. The mid note, which is going to travel like the most of, like not the most, but most of the longevity of like whenever you can actually smell this being warmed. The mid note is touch of tropical nectar, and the base note, which is going to be like the main scent that holds this whole fragrance together while it's, you know, giving out fragrance while it's being warmed, is driftwood. So I was very excited to see the driftwood in it, and so that's why I was just like kind of like meh whenever I got the sample. But whenever you smell it like this, it just smells so good. So this is actually in the fresh fragrance family. It is going to be available as a Scentsy bar, a room spray, and a scent circle, all at 10% off in the month of June. And if you love this, you can actually add it to your Scentsy Club for Always Get My Bar. It will qualify as a like locked in fragrance in your Scentsy Club as long as you don't ever remove it whenever it sells out or once Scentsy retires it. If it does not sell out before it retires, it will get that icon in your Scentsy Club, the Always Get My Bar icon. That means that it's locked in, that you'll still get it in all of your future clubs, no matter what. This smells like it reminds me of Driftwood Bay from a summer collection, but way lighter, like a way lighter version of Driftwood Bay mixed in with a stronger form of Sand Swept. That's what this reminds me of. And what it doesn't really say much of I guess it's the tropical nectar that is giving me the Sand Swept vibes. If you remember Sand Swept, it was in the catalog. It did not come back this year, but it was a blue scent like this. I mean, the color has nothing to do with it. But it was a fresh citrus scent that was also a very nice, like fresh beachy scent, but it is a lighter fragrance. So if you up the intensity of Sand Swept and then mix it with a Driftwood Bay with a lower intensity, that's literally what I think this fragrance is. So literally, that's it. That's my equation for this fragrance. The performance of this was awesome. I actually had it warming in our open concept part of our house. I had it all the warmers in the living, entryway, and kitchen. And the performance of this was great. It was a very strong scent. It lasted as long as my longest lasting scents lasted. So it didn't fade in a day with me. I really enjoyed it. So I can't wait to keep warming this with other fragrances. Can't remember what I warmed it with. I don't remember what I warmed it with. I think I might have warmed it with some of two other scents coming in the Sunshine State of Mind collection, the summer collection on June 1st that's coming. I might have warmed it probably with the Ocean Air and Ocean Air and coconut water one, the blue one. And then I might have warmed it with the orange one. I'm not sure, but I really liked it. So I'm really excited to test that one out with more scents. So now let's talk about the warmer. So again, I don't have it in my hands right here, but all the footage you're gonna see is my actual warmer on our end table in the living room. So the warmer of the month for June 2023 is on the Seashore. This one reminds me of the Mermaid Glass warmer from years ago. It was a warmer of the month. It's one of my favorites. It's still in our master bath as we speak. I do not understand why this one did not return, but as soon as I saw on the Seashore, I just instantly had Mermaid Glass vibes. So this one is hand-placed glass tiles capture the deep turquoise hues in subtle brown accents where the sea meets the sand. This one sits 7.5 inches tall, and it does use a 40-watt bulb, which I love because the bulb choice for this warmer was a great one. It just adds an extra touch. You may see some photos of this, and depending on the light and where it's placed, and if somebody used a filter on it, you're gonna question if it's more green or more blue, and I'm here to tell you that it is more green with blue hues. This warmer is a $60 warmer, but since it is the warmer of the month for June, it is going to be available at 10% off, making it $54 only in June. So yeah, guys, that is the June scent and warmer of the month. I would love to hear down in the comments, what are your opinions and what do you hope to see for the July scent and warmer of the month? Can't wait to see a sneak peek for that. These will be available on June 1st. Also coming on June 1st, we have our summer Bring Back My Bar, and we will have the Sunshine State of Mind collection. That is technically our summer collection, I believe. I do not know of any other things that might be leaving on May 31st and then coming on June 1st yet. We have not been given that information whenever I'm filming this video, but of course I will keep you posted. Please just be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on those notifications. But I am doing pre-orders for everything happening on June 1st. So if you wanted to get a little bit of this, a little bit of Bring Back My Bar, and a little bit of the Sunshine State of Mind collection, you can do all that with a pre-order. Just submit the Google form linked down below and I will reach out to you over the next week to finalize your order. I have a fly in here, and it's driving me nuts because I have been trying to get it all morning and I cannot. It's too fast. It's too fast. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me, and have a great day.